we are going to solve the physics question paper of Wbjee 2022. So my name is Arkodeep Banerjee. I am first year civil engineering student of Jadavpur University. And so the first question here says that a battery of EMF E and internal resistance R is connected with external resistance R as shown in the figure. The battery will act as constant voltage source. We can see that the solution is given as option A because we are getting terminal voltage and EMF to be equal only when R is much greater than R, so we can ignore the small r and the denominator, and so the numerator will cancel the denominator and become 1, and so we will be equal to E. Next question, when an AC current source of EMF E with frequency omega is 100 Hz connected across circuit, the phase difference between E and current I in circuit is given to be pi by 4. They are asked to get us the value of R and the inductor or capacitor. So the thing is that we can see the current is exceeding the EMF, that is the current ahead of EMF. So we can easily say it's a RC circuit and then apply the required formula and we'll get the option D as the correct answer. Next question, in Young's double slit experiment, the intensity of light at a point on the screen where the path difference between the interfering wave is lambda. From here you find the psi, then again for lambda by 4 you find the psi and you put the value in the formula I equal to 4 I naught cos square psi by 2. You'll get the option as C. In Young's double slit experiment with monochromatic light, maximum intensity is 4. The minimum intensity is interference pattern ratio is given as 1 by 4 or 4 by 1. Sorry. Find the ratio of intensity of two interfering waves. That means here we have to find the given I1 by I2 by the formula I max by I min equal to under root of I1 by I2 plus 1 by under root of I1 by I2 minus 1 whole square. Okay, we will get the option A as the correct answer. Question number 6, if the kinetic energies of an electron of an alpha particle and a proton having same de Broglie wavelength are E1, E2, E3, so you just apply the different masses, the mass relation of the between alpha particle, proton, electron, and the charge relation between them in the formula lambda equal to h by root 2 me. You will get the answer as option 1, that is E1 greater than E3 greater than E2. Number 7, a Zener diode having breakdown voltage given as this 6V used in a voltage regulator circuit from 6V. That means we have to find the maximum value of RS for Zener diode. So if this is 6V and that is 10V, that means the voltage between RS is 4V. So we can say that 10 milliampere equal to 4V by RS, so RS equal to 400 ohm. 8 number question, the expression A bar dot A into A plus B plus A dot A into A plus B bar. If we simplify it, we will get A bar plus A bar B plus B A plus B bar B bar plus A B bar. From here take common the B and take common the A, you will get B into A bar plus A and A into B bar plus 1. So from there everything will cancel out and we'll get B plus A as the correct option, or A plus B. The next question, suppose in a hypothetical world the angular momentum is quantized to be even integral of h by 2 pi, that means they are telling a Bohr's theory. The largest possible wavelength means in between two nearest Bohr orbits, that is N1 and N2, you will get the value as 487 nanometer from the formula 1 by lambda equal to 1 by lambda equal to z square r, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where n1 equal to 1, n2 equal to 2. Question number 10, the entropy of a black hole can be written as this. So find the dimension formula of beta. Normal, use the dimensional formula, you will get the option C as the correct option. Question number 11, the percentage error in measurements of A, B, C, D are respectively 4%, 2%, 3%, 1%. You will apply the required formula delta Z by Z equal to 4 times delta A by A plus 1 by 3 delta B by B plus C plus D delta 3 by 2 delta D by D, and you will get the answer as option C, 127 by 6%. Question number 12, a particle is moving in an elliptical orbit as shown in the figure. If P vector, L vector, R vector denote linear momentum, angular momentum, and the position vector of the particle respectively at point A, then direction of linear momentum cross L vector. So linear momentum cross L vector, if we see, that means it's giving towards direction of positive x-axis. So A is the correct option. Next, the kinetic energy of particle moving along x-axis, where its position this. Force acting, we know that F dot dx equal to the work done, so F equal to dk by dx. From here you find the value of force. Body of mass m, from velocity u, from origin coordinate axis, angle theta, magnitude of angular momentum is given proportional to, okay. Angular momentum can be find by L equal to mvr, where v equal to u cos theta and r equal to the maximum height, that is u square sin theta by 2g, so we are getting proportional to u cube, u times u square, u cube. Question number 15. Three particles which are mass m grams situated vertices of equilateral triangle ABC, moment of inertia, system line perpendicular to AB in plane of this. We are getting, as you will find, ma square plus ma square by 4. So 5 ma square by 4 is the correct option. Question number 16. A body of mass m is vertically upward with speed root 3 ve, where ve is the escape velocity of the body from Earth's surface. The final velocity of the body is. We'll apply the normal energy relation in initial and final point, so we can easily get the final velocity, and answer will come out to root 2 VE. Question number 17. Particles subjected to two simple motions, same direction, having equal amplitude and equal frequency. Resultant amplitude is equal to the amplitude of individual motion. Phase difference to motion is, we'll get as psi equal to 120 degrees, that is equal to 2 pi by 3, option 2. Question number 18. 27 drops of mercury coalesce to form bigger drop. What is the relative increase in surface energy? Just apply the volume will remain equal, the relation, and then apply the value of surface energy. Then you will get the value as minus 2 by 3, option C. A certain amount of an ideal gas is taken from initial state 1 to initial state 4. Path 1, 2, 3, 4. If Vp is the most probable speed, Vp is most probable speed means every point on that point is same velocity. That means Vp at 3 equal to Vp at 4, because it's the most probable velocity. Nothing, that's the maximum number of molecules having that same velocity. And then apply the relation Vp directly proportional to the root over of time, that depending on time. Then you get the relation greater than Vp at 2, greater than Vp at 1, so option A. Question number 20. If a string is suspended from the ceiling is given downward force F1, its length becomes L1, its length is L2, if downward force is F2. What's the actual length? Apply the normal formula of Young's modulus, and then you will get the relation as option D, F2L1 minus F1L2 by F2 minus F1. 1 mole of a diatomic ideal gas undergoes a process showing PV diagram. Total heat given in the gas is given as this: delta Q equal to delta QAB plus delta QBC equal to delta UAB plus work done at BC. So from here N 3R by 2 plus delta NR TB ln 2. So we'll get the relation function answer as 3.9 POVO, option B. Two charges each equal to Q minus Q are kept at minus a comma 0, a charge Q is placed at the origin. If Q is given small displacement along y direction, the force acting on the Q is proportional to, you have to make the diagram, and then you have to apply the formula required, and then you will get the answer as option B, minus y. Consider thermodynamic process where the internal energy U equal to AP square V. If the process is performed adiabatically, so you will get the relation du equal to minus dw. From there apply du equal to root over of u by av dot dv, du by root u equal to dv by root v into root under of 1 by a. From here, if you simplify, you will get option B as the correct option. Consider two concentric conducting sphere radius r to r. The inner sphere is given charge q, other is grounded. Potential r equal to 3r by 2 at r is given as. If you apply the formula, V equal to kq by 3r by 2 plus k into minus q by 2r, you will get kq by 6r as the correct option. That is option 1. 25, option 1 is the correct option, because you have to find the force between only QA and QB, where the distance separation is C. 26, you have to apply the formula E equal to minus dvdx. From here, we will get the correct option as A. 27, nothing, you have to just use the formula Fm by Fe equal to V square by C square. So V equal to C, so option C is the correct option. Or you can also apply the formula V equal to EB, V equal to E by B, where E and B are equal only when the velocity equal to speed of light. Question number 28, we have to apply the concept of differentiation by taking elemental length dx from the distance x from the y-axis and applying it in the formula b equal to b naught 2 into x minus a k cap. Then we are finding the force dF equal to I dot dx dot b into 2 minus x by a k cap. From if we simplify the relation, we'll get by putting the values, we'll get the answer as option C minus 1. 29. In a closed circuit, there is only a coil of inductance L, resistance 100 ohm. The coil is situated in uniform magnetic field. All of a sudden, magnetic flux linked with the circuit changes by 5 Weber. So you are applying the formula delta Q equal to delta psi by R, 5 by 100 equals 0.05. Option 2 is the correct option. Question number 30. Electron revolves around the nuclear circular path. Angular momentum this. Uniform magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the orbit. The electron experiences a torque. Then we know that tau dot L equal to 0 as because the angle between them is 90 degree. Okay. Category 2, 31 is the sum of capacitance. You can do it easily by taking the common potential points. The common potential points, you just mark them and then just arrange it from A to B. You will get option B as 3C as the correct answer. Golf ball 32 is a very easy question. Half into f naught into 0.02 into 100 is equal to 50 by 1000 into 100. So from the graph, so you can easily get answer as option D, 500 Newton. Question number 33. Some doubt is there, so I'm just leaving the question. Question number 34. 3 concentric metallic shells A, B, C of radii A, B and C have surface charge plus sigma minus sigma plus sigma. Potential of shell B is A, B and C. So if we simplify the option D, if we multiply 4 pi above and below, we will get the relation of the required potential of the 3 shells. So you can easily see the option D as the correct option. 35. Other than a semicircular wire, radius R is connected. Okay, this question is the most easy question, so you have to apply the I into 2R into B equal to 2F. So you are getting B as you are getting force as BLR, nothing else, BLR. 2R is the length, BLR. Okay, net force is 2F. 36. A sample of hydrogen atom in a ground state is radiated with photons of 10.2 eV energy. Okay, radiation from the sample is absorbed by excited ionized helium atom. Okay, so first option, helium plus electron moves by into 2 4 is correct option. If we apply the formula of 1 by 1 square 1 by into square z square r, in the helium plus emission spectra there is 6 lines, correct option. But smallest wavelength is from 4 to 1, not 4 to 3, so option C eliminated. Option D, helium atom moves from N2 to N2 3. Option D is also eliminated. 37. Particle is moving in xy plane according to R vector B cos omega t I cap plus B sin omega t j cap, where omega is constant. E by omega is constant, or energy of the particle is constant. A is correct option. Trajectory of the particle in xy is circle, correct option. In AXY plane, trajectory of the particle is an ellipse. No, it's also a circle. Option D, A vector equal to omega square R vector, not omega square V vector. So option A and B correct option. Question number 38. 2 wires of same length material are given. Gap for these 2 wires. Which of the following statements are true? Cross section area of A is greater than B, correct option. And Young's modulus of both A and B are same. Y equal to C if by A equal to X by L, and slope is directly proportional to A. So option A and D is the correct option. Question number 39. Question number 39. Hemisphere of radius r is placed in uniform electric field so that axis parallel to the field. Which of the following statement is or are true? From here we can easily see flux through a curved surface of the hemisphere is pi r square E, correct option. Total flux enclosed is 0. Yes, because total flux enclosed is 0. If you find relation total flux enclosed 0, equal to pi r square E plus minus pi r square E equal to 0. Flux of circular hemisphere is minus pi r square E, not pi r square E. So B option is eliminated, and total work done in moving charge is 0 as the flux is 0. So option A and C is the correct option. Question number 40. Rectangular loop of length A and width B made up of conducting material uniform cross section is kept in a horizontal plane where A is uniform magnetic field intensity B. Okay. From here, if we see, we are getting option A as the correct option, option B as the correct option, option D as the correct option. So here we come to an end with the physics solution of Wbjee 2022 examination.